new bulbs. There he is. I'm going to put this in the Mokka. There's the old one out, nearly. There he is, older model. Let's put this new one in. Make sure he's the right way up. LEDs pointing left and right. Springs over. Back cover on. Quickly try these in the daytime on the wall so you can see them. Okay. Get another one at night. Right, let's try these at night, shall we? Look at that. Awesome pattern as well. And I've got the M1 model on the high beam, which is that. But yeah, impressed with that. Lovely cut-off line, even in reflector style headlights. Just show you up against the wall as well. That's just side lights. And there's the dip. Look at that.